Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Hyundai i30, stock number 6057. This ran from the 3rd 2012 to the 2nd 2017. Has a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NB 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front bonnet, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.